Welcome to our YouTube video exploring the fascinating world of ants. In this episode, we'll delve into the secret lives of ants and discover how they build their intricate societies. Let's embark on this captivating journey. Division of labor. Ants have a highly organized division of labor within their colonies. Different individuals assume specific roles, such as workers, soldiers, foragers, and even queens, each contributing to the overall functioning of the society. Chemical communication. Ants communicate primarily through the use of chemical signals called pheromones. These pheromones help ants convey messages about food sources, danger, mating, and even nest construction, enabling efficient coordination within the colony. Colony structure. Ant colonies consist of various chambers and tunnels that serve different purposes. The queen resides in the central chamber, while the workers and other members of the colony occupy specialized chambers for brood care, food storage, and waste disposal. Complex nest architecture. Ants exhibit remarkable nest-building abilities. Some species construct elaborate underground tunnels, while others build towering mounds or utilize existing tree hollows. The architecture is designed to provide protection, regulate temperature and humidity, and support the needs of the colony. Farming and agriculture. Certain ant species have developed intricate farming practices. Leafcutter ants, for example, cultivate fungus gardens by cutting and carrying fresh leaves into their nests. The ants then use the leaves as a substrate for growing their own food source, edible fungi. Slave-making behavior. Some ant species engage in slave-making behavior. They raid neighboring ant colonies, capturing the pupae and larvae, which they raise as slave workers. These enslaved ants perform tasks for their captors, contributing to the overall productivity of the colony. Ants as superorganisms. Ant colonies are often described as superorganisms because the entire colony functions as a single entity with collective goals. The individual ants work together and sacrifice personal needs for the benefit of the colony as a whole. Sustainable waste management. Ant colonies have efficient waste management systems. They have designated areas within the nest where waste materials, such as dead ants and debris, are deposited, preventing contamination and maintaining hygienic conditions. Social hierarchy and reproduction. Ant colonies have a distinct social hierarchy. The queen, who is responsible for reproduction, holds the highest rank. Worker ants, on the other hand, perform various tasks and support the queen's needs, ensuring the continuity of the colony. Colony expansion and migration. Ant colonies can expand by sending out scouts to search for new nest sites. When a suitable location is found, the entire colony undergoes a coordinated migration, with each ant carrying eggs, larvae, and even the queen to establish a new colony. Ants, with their complex societies and remarkable behaviors, are a true marvel of nature. By uncovering the secrets of their lives, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricacies of the natural world. Thank you for joining us on this captivating exploration of the secret lives of ants. Remember, there is always more than meets the eye. For more interesting videos, subscribe our channel and give you valuable feedback.